My name is Will Brazil. I'm with WJB Hospitality. I am current owner and founder of WJB Hospitality LLC. And today we're gonna do a really good cocktail that I love making. We're gonna do the Espresso Martini. Stay tuned. First, we are going to, as I always do, love topping the glass with ice. It's a very simple cocktail. We're gonna do an ounce of creme de coco to get those chocolate notes into the Espresso Martini. Ounce of that. Gonna do some Kahlua. I'm gonna do 3/4 ounce of that. Then, to get the hazelnut notes from it, we're going to do the Frangelico, which is a hazelnut liqueur. We're gonna do a 3/4 ounce of that. And to really fortify it, we're going to, of course, use vodka. We're gonna use a Stoli vodka, vanilla to get those sweet notes into it as well. Ounce of that. And just sweeten it up a little bit. We're going to do a couple splashes of our simple syrup. And to get the espresso, we're going to use the coffee espresso here, fresh brewed. We'll do 1.5 ounces of that. Oh, I'm excited about this. All right. Shaker tin meets glass, shake, smile. You really want to get it frothy so you get the textures in there as well. Every last drop counts. Always remember that. You want to double strain it so those ice shards or chips are not in your drink. See how it's getting frothy towards the top? As I'm shaking it here, it accumulates more frothiness. Set this aside. Then we are going to garnish it with 3 espresso beans. Again, it's all about presentation when you're making a cocktail. And there you have it, Espresso Martini. Cheers.